you want? You big gay baby? No! All right.
Good idea, Lyle. Let's set up a webcam so everybody can watch a giant gay baby blow up another tourist with his lasers.
Come on, you don't know he's gay.
Isn't that what he called him?
I mean, he called him that. That doesn't mean he's gay.
He called him gay.
I just think we should change the name. I mean, Death Island is not an inviting name.
Well, Fantasy Island is taken.
Life Island would be better. I mean, it's not great, but it's way better than Death Island.
Someone has to destroy that baby. And he's probably gay.
But we tried to destroy Rudy for hundreds of years. We was hoping he would grow and mature and learn not to destroy tourists.
But he doesn't learn.
Well, look, I don't know what to tell you. The Benadryl missiles didn't work, and the nitroglycerin rattle went nowhere.
He loves it, though. Have you seen him with it?
Yes, Frederick. He gets bigger by the millennium.
I'm just throwing stuff at the wall right now, but let's build a giant daycare center and put him in it.
What the f***? The island is gone.
That's a stupid idea, Lyle.
Oh, I didn't come up with it. I'm just thinking out loud.
Give me that book. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We'll all take naps and hope this goes away.
We should definitely have him tested. Developmentally, he's not quite with the other gay babies.
I'm not having doctors poking around in my gay baby.